Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. So we have a collab here, Sabrina Claudio. She's been here before, Marshmello, I believe so as well. Don't Speak, that's the song here. So we're gonna play more than speak in this one. But you need to start with some speaking here. We have this capo here on the first fret, that's important. And we have 4 chords that goes in the same order through the entire song, just different a little bit depending on where we are in the song. If we go with a starting pattern that's full or not, we're gonna come to that. First, chords. So we're gonna start with D. That is open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have 2 bars coming up here. So the first bar chord will be B minor. You have a bar on the second fret, 5 strings from bottom and up to this point here. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. That's the B minor. The F sharp minor, the bar is on the still same second fret. This time you need to bar all strings there, and you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. And the final chord is A, and that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. So like I said, the chord progression will be the same as we just learned the chords in that order: D, B minor, F sharp minor, and A. But we're gonna play it differently, all right? So in the verse and in the chorus, we're gonna play in the same way. So we need to learn that starting pattern. It starts with D, so let's grab that one first. We have a starting pattern that goes like this for one full round. Okay, so we're going to divide it into 2 different parts to start with. We have the first part, which is down, down, up, clap. That's part 1. So down, down, up, clap. And the second part will be down, then a short pause, then down, clap, down. So down, short pause, down, clap, down. And if you put that 2 parts together, it will be first part 1, down, down, up, clap, then down. Immediately after this, clap, pause, and down, clap, down. So like this. And a couple of rounds. So, like I said, the verse and the pre-chorus is played in the same way. You're going to play 1 full string around for these chords: D, B minor, F sharp minor, and A. Let's go for a chord progression round. And so on. Alright, so that is the verse and pre-chorus. Now the chorus and the drop. So the chorus is where she starts, baby don't speak. That's where on the lyrics. You're gonna have the same chord progression like we said: D, B minor, F sharp minor, and A. But now also the same strumming, but now I need to split the strumming between 2 different chords. So D is played with part 1, the down, down, up, clap. Then you switch to the B minor and play down, down, clap, down, the part 2. And then you do the same principle here with the next 2 chords. F sharp minor is played with part 1 in the same way as D, and A part 2 in the same way as B minor. So a couple of chord progression rounds goes like this. And there you have the playing for chorus and the drop, and that covers Sabrina Claudio's Marshmello's Don't Speak. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. I did. And if you like this, then please give me a like on this tutorial. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. It's very motivating to see this channel grow, so we'll appreciate all your help and support. So thank you, and play tuned.